Hello, Assalamualaikum to all viewers. My name is Nur Amalina Raihana binti Said. I will be presenting about the best diet for farm animal. Next, as you can see on the slide, the definition of farm animals are animals that are raised and kept for agricultural purpose, such as cow, pigs, sheep, chicken, and many more. The animal that I chose for this assignment is cow. An animal such as cow has more than one stomach. They are herbivore, or known as an eating plant animal. Here you can see the digestive system of a cow. Cow have 4 stomachs. Rumen is the largest, and omasum is the smallest, also known as the third compartment. When eating, the food that the cow eat, such as grass, will enter esophagus and then will go to the first stomach, that is rumen, and then reticulum. The third one is omasum, and the last is abomasum. Reticulum, a pouch-like structure in the forward area of the body, close to the heart. The tissue form a network similar to a honeycomb. Next is abomasum, the fourth and final stomach compartment. A little bit information. Ruminants have a complex digestive system that allows them to get most of their nutrients. Ruminants use microbes in the rumen to break down cellulose and hemicellulose. Okay, the ideal diet for cows. Cows' natural diet consists mainly of grasses, legumes, alfalfa, clover, and hay. But ruminants often select plants that are high in fibrous material like cellulose and lignin. Scientists have found that highly fermentable feeds can cause the rumen to stop regular contraction. Even eating highly digestible forages that cause the animal to bloat, such as clover and alfalfa, can stop normal reticular rumen contraction. Okay, next is the ideal food. First, it's the grain supplement. Primary grains fed to cattle, for example, maize, sorghum, wheat, corn, rice, oats, barley, ragi, and millets. Usually, farmer will mix all these grains into the grass, so that the cattle will have more nutrient. Next is hay. Hay is a grass that has been mown and dried for use as fodder. For example, alfalfa and timothy. Okay, next ideal food that we can feed to our cow is pasture and forage. So basically, cow will graze on grass. For example, as you can read on the slide, it's quite long, and this is a specific name for the grass. For this type of feeding, the farmer will just release the cow and let the cow feed themselves by grazing on the grass. Okay, next, the concentrates. So basically, concentrates are all natural and made from quality grains, vitamins, mineral, and other enriching ingredients. So for concentrates, usually they are mixed together and then turned into pellets for us to give to the cow. For this next slide, as you can see, the title is Best Food. Actually, here I listed the pros and cons of the food that you can give to the cow. On the top is the list of pros, and the bottom is for the cons. For grain supplement, it will give the For grain supplement, it is great because it can get the cattle to grow quickly, but the cow can get fed faster, and actually it reduces cost and get cattle ready sooner, so we can sell them the produce that we collect, and we can sell them faster. Next, relying on supplement, as this will discourage them from more nutritional diverse pasture and foraging, so the cow will more likely to eating the grain supplement rather eating the grass, fresh grass. Okay, next is hay. Hay provide important nutrients, and usually hay is from alfalfa. Hay has more calcium and phosphorus than grass hay. For the cons, it provides important. For the cons, actually it is more recommended for dairy cattle, but not beef cattle, because for beef cattle they need more nutrient to produce good meat. Okay, for pasture and forage. Pasture and forage, they provide with all the nutrients they need because they are fresh, and the cow grass eat by themselves. For the cons, it is important to test the soil fertility and to maintain good watering to ensure plants at the best nutritional density when the cow are grazing. And lastly is the concentrates. Concentrates have high nutritional value because they have lots of grains, but it is low in fiber and they have plenty of carbohydrates. Concentrates can be great as a supplement, but carefully consider cattle needs and weight when offering this feed to prevent digestion issue. Well, the conclusion is actually it depends on our agricultural purpose whether we are feeding it to dairy cattle or beef cattle. For example, like hay, it is more recommended for the dairy cattle. Why? Because the beef cattle need more nutrients so they can have more excellent quality premium meat, and need to contain more fat than the dairy cattle. That's why most farmers give them grain supplement, concentrates, and let the cow graze grass. Okay, thank you for listening to my little presentation about the best diet food for animal farm.